Every step is in your light. Search my heart and test my spirit. Lead me in your truth tonight.
Though the world may turn against me, still your mercy is my song. I will trust your loving kindness. In your presence I belong.
Wash my hands in holy mercy. Cleanse my heart from hidden pride. I will stand before your altar, keeping you close by my side. I will walk with clean hands before my King. Lift my voice and let my praises ring. Your faithful love surrounds my way. You are my strength every day. I will worship, I will never stray. Jesus, you are my life always. With joyful heart my soul will sing. Forever you are everything.
I won't follow empty shadows, nor the path of those who fall. Your compassion is my refuge. You have heard my humble call.
Every sunrise tells your goodness. Every breath declares your grace. I will gather with your people, singing glory to your name.
Let my footsteps shine with honor. Guide me by your righteous hand. Every promise you have spoken is forever strong and steady.
Your faithful love surrounds my way. You are my strength every day. From my heart, your rivers flow everywhere. Your blessings grow. I will live to glorify